girlies are at Cheesecake Factory. We heard they had some new menu items. We're gonna go check them out. All right, Anna, what should we get off of their special menu? Some asparagus fries.
Absolutely.
All right.
I love asparagus.
Wow. These street corn.
It's got the juice.
It's got the juice.
Up next, we got the ahi poke nachos.
ASMR time. What about that?
Drink break. Love me a Dr. Pepper. Feasting flatbread. Ooh, yes.
Actually, you know what? Let's get both flatbreads.
This Cacio Pepe flatbread is so good, but you have to try their take on the Cacio Pepe pasta. Next pasta. Real good.
I love these little pasta noodles.
It has a kick. This is the bacon avocado Benedict, only available on the weekend on their brunch menu.
Can't go to Cheesecake Factory without getting cheesecake, you know. We have our classic Basque cheesecake topped with mixed berries, whipped cream.
Cheesecake Factory, you've done it again.
You want to buy?